So I'm all about traffic sources and finding new ways to get customers off of Amazon onto Amazon and vice versa in my e-commerce brand. So two of the biggest slept on traffic sources right now are number one, Pinterest. So many people are asleep on Pinterest, and Pinterest has been around for a while. They just don't understand how the algorithm works. So Pinterest is a lot of literature-based content, a lot of vertical feeds. So if you can do how-tos, if you can do FAQs, if you can do recipes and stuff like that, you can literally go viral on Pinterest, get a lot of pins, and you can get highly targeted traffic directly to your Amazon. I love utilizing coupons as well as links as well in Pinterest. Now, number two is gonna be TikTok. Now, I'm not too much of a fan of creating content on TikTok because I don't like dancing and doing funny videos and, doing the point everywhere around video that everybody's doing. But for physical products and for e-commerce, when you're partnering with the right influencer, it can drive massive traffic to your Amazon listing and to your different websites, right? And just by utilizing the video that we talk about, the strategy that we talk about in the other video about reaching out to influencers, you'll know how to find influencers and reach out to influencers. But TikTok recently, as the time that I'm recording this video, has blown up, and you can definitely get a ton of traffic. I know a few different products that have went viral utilizing TikTok as a traffic source. And here's the thing, guys, don't just use Pinterest, don't just use TikTok. So many people and so many brands fall victim of utilizing just one traffic source primarily, right? And what happens is all the eggs are in one basket. So what I want you guys to do is I encourage you guys to start utilizing multiple different social media platforms and traffic sources. If you're just starting out, you should be utilizing Pinterest and TikTok and Snapchat and Facebook and Twitter and all of these because they're all free. And what I can recommend that you guys do is utilize them all simultaneously. Make sure that you're cross-pollinating, that way they all grow together versus making a mistake like I made where I go all in on one platform and now the other ones are like night and day in reference to size, right? So hopefully that helps. And remember, be maximizing on the traffic and identify what traffic source you're not using, that your competitors probably aren't using, that you can use so you can make all of the revenue from that traffic source. Check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100+ videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.